This is the seasonal stock and ETF report for today, September 29, 2022. Let's go to trade seasonals. Dow 30. I am logged in as a premium user. Again, like a fixture, Walmart's on the top of the list. However, the Sharpe ratio is dropping since last week. It was higher. And if you take a look, we're on a downtrend. It should do better, possibly, here. We'll see. It is not. It is better to have bought Walmart earlier. See? When you buy it earlier, Sharpe ratio increases. 3.9 right there. However, there was a drop in 2022. How about last 20 years? 85% profitable. 2008 was not good. 2004 dropped 10% and was almost flat in 2003. 2007 was a huge gainer. Consistent across 2009 to 2021. Let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft, pretty decent Sharpe ratio. 212 days now till end of April. So as you see, we've talked about this multiple times, but these top contenders are long-term because we are in September-October timeframe, which is usually seasonally a down period for S&P 500. Let's look at United Healthcare, Visa, and Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is actually on an uptrend with a decent Sharpe ratio. Look at that. If you want a short-term gainer, Goldman Sachs is definitely a good possibility for consideration. Johnson & Johnson, 74 days, and JP Morgan. JP Morgan has that drop. You can always see if that drop. No, it doesn't make it. This is probably a better bet. Let's go to NASDAQ. Top of the list is now Paychex, beating Keurig at 2.34. Yeah, this is a good time to buy Paychex or wait and buy it here maybe. No, it's not as good. Algorithm knows best. Keurig. Keurig is probably much better to be bought right there. It is. Maybe even here. Over 3. This is one great stock. It's one of those things to probably time a little bit, but this is a great time to buy it right here. Then Microsoft Synopsys and Cadence on the list. What do we have for shorts? Dexcom is still there. Biogen, only 2. Market's turning seasonally. Magical dates coming up, October 25. We have more choices on the S&P 500. We also have Chipotle, but most of them are in Wilshire. Teradata. Look at that huge drop. How big a stock is this? $31 stock. Yeah, these are the top short contenders. Some are really long-term shorts. Look at these, like Micro medical. This thing goes down for an extended period of time. Wow. All source portfolio. Interesting. I'm not too hot on these. Whenever the Sharpe ratio is this low, that means the year-to-year profits were really different. More interested on the top of the list, like Teradata. That was a $31 stock, $25 stock. I like to buy stocks that are a little bit more expensive. This is more like it. Dexcom is a good possibility. No data here. Some of these are, we don't check stocks that are below $5. Royal Gold. Anyways, sign up for a free account and you have access to all of these for the current day. And our shorts. Natural gas is on the top of the list. You see there's a peak date right there. Middle of October. Natural gas should peak and drop until January 6th. At least seasonally, it's supposed to. Go back to Sharpe ratio. Top of the list is still consumer staples. Yeah, some of these are the same. Most of the day, here's a short-term S&P financial sector is on an uptrend. We saw that with Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. That actually makes sense. Can we improve? Oh, Sharpe ratio doesn't change by going to October 13. That's a better time to buy. Yeah, middle of October on is going to be a very bullish time unless there's something major happens like a stock market crash that changes, that overpowers the seasonality. But if the markets hold up until mid-October, I would say the greatest date to start investing would be October 25. That's it for today.